Hello, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another unboxing from FG Normal. They reached out to me after my last video and asked if I would collaborate again. They have a wide variety of diamond painting products, from keychains to wind chimes, large pieces, round or square, and also some cross stitch and home decor. So what did Nancy get this time? What do they call it? A stamped cross stitch pattern. And I'll be doing this on the Craft With Me weekly challenge on September 15th, so come and check that out. And also in the description box below, give me some tips and tricks for cross stitching, because the last time I did this, it was probably 20 something years ago. So if you found something that's makes it easier for you, just let me know down below. And this one is a 5.5 by 5.5. I'll leave all the links to these items in the description box below. The next item I chose was what they call an angle photo die cutter, and this is great to cut round edges on your paper. I like paper crafting, so this is going to be handy. The one I have from We Are Memory Keepers is a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch, and this one's about a 1/4 inch. And it's nice and small, and it does nice round corners. If you're liking this content, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment below. What items would you get from the FG Normal site? They have a wide variety of items to choose from and reasonable prices. Since I got a cross stitch pattern, I decided to get their cross stitch scissors. They're so cute. They look like little flowers at the top. And look, I'm using my scissors to cut the scissors out. See what they look like. The top looks like if it was a flower or something. And again, using my scissors to cut the scissors out. Imagine if you didn't have scissors, right? But these have a curved tip, so I guess it makes it easier to cut the thread off the cross stitch. I'm assuming. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while, so. But they're nice and silver and very pointy and sharp. Excuse me. This next item is, they call it a stainless steel ruler for quilting, and it's pretty sturdy. I was surprised, but it has the center there is 9 inches wide, and then each of the centimeters or millimeters is has a little dot, so you can I guess mark the fabric. But I could use this for my miniatures or my crafting endeavors. So check that out. And I have a friend on Facebook and YouTube, Dances with Artworks, Mike, has been doing some bud vases with acrylic tubes. His are copper, you know. These are plastic. But I thought, hey, I can try to make something with these guys. So be using these with some tumbling tower blocks. So check for that project pretty soon. Again, all these items are listed down below. And until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with new craft supplies.